This is purple Shamrock plant. I love it because it has a nice, like a triangular shaped, it's like a butterfly, and it has white flowers right here. Perennial plant. It comes every year. It might die if you put outside in the winter, but it comes back in the spring with beautiful flower. After one shoot, another and another and another, and it becomes so thick. And this plant, during the day, it has beautiful white flower and the leaves are open. Around 6-7 o'clock, it wilts the leaves. Looks like it's sleeping. So in the morning again, it wakes up, and these leaves widen, and also flowers becomes more vibrant. So this is a very sort of, I call it dramatic plant. It wants to sleep at night like human being. So alright, so let me take it out from here. Oh, it likes a dry sort of environment. So I didn't put too much water. It does right here the root system. All the root system is big right here. So, and let me put right here for a while. Oh yeah, yes, I'm going to mix this soil, not much because it doesn't like soggy soil, but a little bit only. Maybe one more scoop. Ooh. Bye. Okay, so oh. I don't want to disturb too much because it's flowering and it's doing pretty fine. Yeah. This is beautiful pot for this plant, and it will go all around and it will flower and look so good after a few weeks. And let's see what happens. Yeah, I don't want to put too much pressure. So all right, almost ready. Water. So let's give big water here. That's it.